Hey guys, so this tool was trending online, so I thought let me use this tool and turn my one room into three different interior styles in 120 seconds. Let's go into. So let's go to the tools website for quick check-in. I am putting the link in the description. So click on it, sign up, and then just go to the dashboard. So click on new interface from top, click on furnished, virtual staging, select the room type, that's my bedroom, style, first I'll check with the minimalist theme, select the elements if you like and hit on enter, that's it. See the before and after AI images. So now want to change the style of my bedroom with the one famous style which is the modern boho. So go here, select the style and click on enter and just check the before and after image. Amazing. So now let me check out one more trending style which is Japandi or warm organic. So go to the style, select on Japandi and just enter, and the look at the output, it's amazing, and that's why it's trending. So without waiting, just go on the description, click on the link and check it out by yourself. The big draw for you is it's offering 60 credits free every day. What are you waiting for?